So little about me. So I'm Vijay. So I've been with Zoho for last 23 years. So I had the operations of all the projects management suite of apps in Zoho, projects, sprints, bug tracker, and the latest being Zoho Projects Plus. Right. So what's there in Projects Plus? What's the new offering is going to bring to the table? So I start with a case study. Right. So hope you all know, right? So projects is there in industry for last almost 2 decades, right? So every product in the project management suite, right? So as we traveled throughout our journey, there was a need. We came up with a solution. So there was a need for a traditional way of getting things done. We came up with projects. Then there was a need for an agile way of getting things done. We came up with sprints. Now there's a need, right? So one such customer for projects, being an enterprise customer from construction industry. So they started with projects, right? So they managed things, right? Then they are asked or were looking for the document management with a comprehensive solution, right? So they adopted a work drive with projects. Then they want to track their materials along with time tracking as well, and their efficiency improve, right? So that's where, so this use case, right? So it started with projects, and they asked for look for a work drive, a comprehensive document management solution. Then their efficiency got improved. So here is one good start, right? So the 18% of enterprise customers for projects use this combination of either of these four apps, right? So it's project sprints or project sprints work drive or project sprints and analytics. Combining all these four, it's our latest offering, that's Zoho Projects Plus. So here is your set of apps which Zoho owns, right? So Projects Plus being the latest, introduced in March 2025. What does it solve, right? So projects, the traditional and the classic way of getting things done. Sprints, you manage things in the iterative and incremental way of getting things done through the agile process. This hybrid, right? So it's a combination of both. You plan in Zoho projects and execute at the agile level. So it's like the execution happens in the iterative way using Zoho sprints. That's where this combination, right, projects and sprints addresses this hybrid project management need. That's this solution. It's a unified work platform with data-infused intelligence. Data intelligence, what I mean here is you have projects data, you have sprints data, you get the combination of both through a hybrid dashboard. So here is it. It comes with all these four: projects, sprints, analytics, and work drive with AI and ML. Right? So Zoho Projects Plus, right? So it gives all these four, the hybrid projects with data analytics, collaborative work management, right? So it improves your resource allocation, enhances your employee experience, and you deliver a superior customer experience as well with AI, and of course with security and data governance. Projects Plus revolves around these four pillars, right? So data democratization, artificial intelligence, hybrid project management, and collaborative workman. So I take you through all these four pillars in coming slides. Data democratization, right? So data is everywhere. So projects, you have data, your team manages, starts with planning, and the sprints, the team really executes. So the data gets added to your analytics, you generate a dashboard. So here it is. So there is a task dashboard from projects. Then you have a timesheet dashboard. Then there's a combination of projects data as well as sprints data through a comprehensive hybrid dashboard. So the dashboard which you're seeing is for timesheets. Then if you go for the hybrid way of things, right? So you have a hybrid dashboard as well. So with insights, so you get more out of the report that has been shown there, right? So that's data, one of the first pillars of Projects Plus. Artificial intelligence being infused along with business intelligence, you get the context intelligence. So projects has already with lots of AI stuff. in Projects Plus, it's a combination of all 4 products: projects, sprints, work drive, and analytics. So AI is everywhere in all these 4 apps. You get the benefit, right? So this is the one. So from projects, you have a natural language parsing search, so where you can search for your showstopper bugs or tasks for this user or my team. You can get a summary of your project description. So, and you can get the insights from your reports in analytics as well. So here are the few screens where you get the AI stuff. So upon clicking, right? So for the issue or the respective modules, so AI, it gives you the summary or the translate. So if your team is working from different geographies, so the languages used by different teams will be different, right? So if you want to translate, so right next to your comment, there will be a translate option as well. So you can translate. Here is Zia is suggesting you, and in projects description as well, right? So this is my project. Suggest me the content of the project description. Zia explains, gives you a content. In work drive as well, it generates you content. In analytics, it generates you report based on the AI or the input which you give, right? So here I want to pull a report for this quarter or this month, right? So just type in at the context. So you just type in there task ID or creation time. The report is generated using AI. So that's the second pillar, artificial intelligence. Okay, before moving to the third pillar, here is one customer. It's a Fortune 500 customer using projects. Then they adopted sprints. Now they are also wants the tracking of both through analytics. So here's a typical case of they started with classic. They then adopted agile. Now they need a combination of both. That's the hybrid way of getting things done. So here is the hybrid way, right? So in projects, you have the set of tabs, tasks, other modules like issues and time tracking. So with sprints being a part of it, so you have the project task and your sprints item gets integrated, and right within the projects, next to your work task, you will have a sprints icon. Upon clicking, it takes you to the sprint. So everything is a single interface kind of. It gives you that feel and navigate as easily and as quickly. You can see in the sprints icon on the right. This is the project screen. You have the sprints icon on the right. So by clicking, and you can navigate right within and see what is happening in the sprints as well. The fourth pillar is the collaborative work management that is achieved through work drive. So hope you know work drive already also comes with the writer sheet show, right? The typical Word and PowerPoint, Excel equivalent. So it comes with collaborative editing. Then there's an AI stuff there. Then there are workflows. Say in your document, I need multi-level approvals. You can set workflows for your document as well, right? So it enhances your collaborative work management. In addition to that work drive document management, in projects, there are a lot more collaborative stuff in sprints as well, like feeds, chat, forums, calendar, meeting, right? So it enhances your collaboration. So put together, it gives you a comprehensive collaborative way of getting things done, right? So here is the fourth pillar of Projects Plus. So you can attach from your work drive. You can attach from an external folder as well, right? So that's all within the same app, right? So everyone's be in the central place of what is happening across your projects. So that's a transition, and you want to complete the transition. That's it. So these are the 4 pillars which Projects Plus addresses, right? So the data democratization, artificial intelligence, hybrid project management, and collaborative work management. It comes up with this contextual integrations. from MS Teams to Slack, ServiceNow, and a few other integrations with repository management being bug tracker already there with Gmail, so many stuff. You can have you have a data somewhere in the Excel or Google Sheet, data can be imported. So, and you have AI integration with Zia, our proprietary thing, as well as OpenAI as well. The pricing, so projects, you have $10, right? So Projects Plus with all these 4 apps, project prints, analytics and work drive, it's $16 per user, right? So, and so look at, you compared with other products, right? With Microsoft or the Google. So per user is, you can check the number, right? So this Projects Plus is more affordable with all these. Of course, Projects Plus, we own the data center and the entire stack. So security and privacy, we take it very seriously. So we own everything. We have the HIPAA compliance, GDPR compliance. So Projects Plus comes up with all these. Put together, why Projects Plus? So you have a lot of customization. You can deliver predictability. It's a unified platform to make data-driven decisions. Comes up with security and governance, and it's part of Zoho ecosystem. So you land at one product like projects or sprints, then you move to Projects Plus, then can go to the Zoho one as well. So as I said, Projects Plus been previewed in Zoho Day this year. Got a coverage in March. So as a press release, part of press releases, these are some of the coverage of Project Plus in US region.